If you're not using Grok in 2026, you are already behind because a lot of people are using that AI Grok to make a lot of money online. Some people use it for graphic design, they use it for freelancing jobs, create content, both written and video contents. Personally, I use it to do a lot of designs for my clients, and Grok is helping me a lot. The good thing is that you can actually get Super Grok for free. A lot of people think it's not free. It's actually free. And in this video, that's what I want to show you, how to get Super Grok for free so that you can use it to do a lot of things. Now, I'm also going to show you how you can make money with it. If you're not already making money with Grok, I will show you how Grok can make money with it. Personally, I use Grok to build my YouTube channels. This particular channel you're using, so most of the things that I'm doing here, I got it from Grok, both from the thumbnail, both from the contents, both from the title, a whole lot of things. I got it from Grok. Now, Grok is going to help you a lot if you know how to use it. Make sure you watch to the end. I'll just dive in and show you exactly how to get Super Grok for free. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on notifications, join our Telegram channel so that you will see the latest updates on how to earn money online. Before we get started, let me make a quick disclaimer. Any content posted here on this channel is only for information purposes. I am not giving you any guarantees or promising you anything. So therefore, make your due diligence first before you take action. Whatever you see on this channel, I'm only sharing it for information purposes. As you can see here, this Grok, you can do a lot of things with it. You can design image, you can also do voice mode, you can do a lot of things. You can analyze docs, you can customize Grok as well, and a whole lot of things that you can do with it. Now, let me show you. If you click on here, you can also upload your image. Click on this here. You're going to see you can upload your photos. You can also upload your files. You can upload. You can edit image as well. Now, if you click on this three line, you're going to see the previous things you've done before and how you can get Grok for free. And I'm going to show you how to do that right away. Now, let's start first. You're going to see some of the things you can do here. If you click on this Grok Imagine, this is how you can create videos and a whole lot of things with Grok. Okay, remember, I'm going to show you how to make money with this Grok app in case you are already not making money with it. If you are making money with it, oh good. This is where you can create your images. All you need to do is just, if you want to choose this template, if you just tap it now, and then it's going to open up. You can now choose from your template, and then any image you choose, that is going to give you this kind of dance that this thing is dancing. Okay, let's see it. You're going to see this funky dance is going to dance it using the image that you gave Grok to do for you. Okay, you're going to see, but the thing is that some of these things are not free. Okay, like you cannot use it for free. Even if you can use it for free, it's just for about 6 seconds or so, or for a limited time. But now, how do you get Grok for free? Okay, so you go down here. I don't know if you're using a laptop or you're using a phone. I'm using a mobile device to show you this. So click on the menu. There are two lines at the top left. Click on it. You're going to see this places try Grok for free. Okay, Super Grok for free. So we're going to try it. So you're going to see a lot of things you can do with it. Longer conversation in chats, make more images and videos. Now, with image 1.0 longer, then with videos you can get up to about 720 pixel videos. Then longer voice mode, priority access during peak time, and then early access to new features. Okay, you're going to see some of the things that you can do with Super Grok if you decide to unlock it. Okay, so we're going to do that right away. Now you see that ordinarily this costs about 48,000 naira every month. That's about $30. Okay, it depends on what you're seeing there. But if you are in Nigeria, you're going to be seeing 48,000, which is about $30 or so. Okay, but currently it is free. You're going to see that monthly free, right? Now, how do you access this? Just wait. I'm going to show you how to do that. But make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn your notification. Now, if you look down, you're going to see a place that says start a 3-day free trial. That is how you can actually get Grok for free for at least 3 days. And within these 3 days, you can actually make money with it. I will show you exactly how to make money with this Grok if you can actually work to the end. Now, just click on start a 3 days trial here. And then once you click on it, it's going to now take you down to the page where you can get access to it, and then you can start using Super Grok for free. You will come down to this website and register as a freelancer. And then as a freelancer, you can decide that, okay, you want to be doing content creation on this platform by using Grok. Now, you're not going to tell them that you're using Grok to create content. You are just coming here to register as a content creator freelancer on this website. Now, you're going to see a lot of jobs. This one is a medical content writer, crafting engaging health content. Now, price from this is what this person is charging. You're going to see right now. I will Telegram promotion, ads growth, your forest channel. We're going to see this one now is I will do business website design. Here you're going to see Wix and WordPress. Now, different other things. This person is charging 20,000, professional music production, and just like that. People are charging different thing per hour, right? Or per the thing they are doing. This one is writing. So you can come here and register. The name of this platform is Jolancer. This is a freelancing platform for Nigerians. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, but if you want to do the one that's going to pay you in dollar, then you can go for Upwork and Fiverr. Okay. Now to sign up, just click on sign up here, and then once you click on sign up, it's going to load up and take you down to the sign up page. All right, so it's going to bring you down to this page. You're going to see how much would you like to earn per hour worked. Okay, so you can choose how much you want to earn here. Now just click on, you're going to see how much people are earning. This person is earning 1.5 to 2.5 per hour, and then just like that. Okay, you can choose whatever. Now you're going to see the register form, username, phone, email, password, and every other thing. Then after that, you can then go ahead and customize your dashboard. Okay, then you can choose what you want to be doing on this platform. So it's pretty that easy, right? Very, very easy for you to start right away. Just put in everything, and then you can register as a freelancer. Then you go to Grok. I believe you know how to use Grok. If you don't know how to use Grok, let me know, and I'm going to make a video on how to use Grok to create content, do graphic designs, and do other things. But at the moment, this is how you can earn money with it, by becoming a freelancer. Okay, guys, I believe you got value watching this video. If so, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel as well.